Garment cooling refers to the use of clothing to help regulate body temperature and reduce heat buildup. There are several different types of garment cooling technologies, including moisture-wicking fabrics. These fabrics draw sweat away from the skin, which helps to cool the body by evaporative cooling. Phase change materials, PCMs. These materials absorb heat and release it slowly, which can help to maintain a comfortable body temperature. Active cooling garments. These garments use fans or other methods to actively circulate cool air around the body. Liquid cooling garments. These garments circulate a cold liquid through tubes in the garment to transfer heat away from the body. Garment cooling can be a valuable tool for people who work or exercise in hot environments, as well as for people who are prone to overheating. It can also be helpful for people who have medical conditions that affect their ability to regulate body temperature. Here are some of the benefits of garment cooling. Reduces heat stress. Garment cooling can help to reduce the risk of heat-related illnesses such as heat stroke and heat exhaustion. Improves athletic performance. By keeping the body cool, garment cooling can help athletes to perform at their best. Increased comfort. Garment cooling can simply make people more comfortable in hot environments. Here are some of the drawbacks of garment cooling. Cost. Garment cooling can be more expensive than traditional clothing. Bulkiness. Some garment cooling garments can be bulky and uncomfortable to wear. Maintenance. Some garment cooling garments require regular cleaning and maintenance. Overall, garment cooling is a safe and effective way to cool down in hot environments. However, it is important to choose the right type of garment cooling technology for your needs and to use it properly. Please check out description for much more.